Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You already know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Sorry, it's really early in the morning. The voice is not voicing just yet. If you're new here, we do hybrid budgeting. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Just hit the red subscribe button. It is free 99. It costs you nothing. So let's get in today's video because your girl still got to go to work, okay? Happy Friday. We have made it to the end of the week, most of us. This is the last day of our week, and the weekend is around the corner. So let's go ahead. I got paid Friday day. Just got paid. Ain't no party topping, but let's go over let's go over our budget. So last time we were here, we closed out the last budget and we were at $0. And now our next check has come in for the second and final paycheck of September. The check came in and it's $1,647.37. So we are off by a little bit, 1,647.39. Let's update that. We don't have a YouTube check coming, no miscellaneous, and we rolled over $25 to pay to Capital One, which you'll see right here has already been paid. So we can go ahead and make that green because we see that that payment has already gone through. The credit card to pay for the cell phone bill. And then we have our mortgage to pay. So we put away $553 in our Hold Your Horses account. This is just an account where I put money that I know I'm going to need, but I don't want it to get confused in the rest of my money and get spent or misallocated. So I move it to Hold Your Horses. I'm thinking about renaming it. I had a different name and now I can't remember. It's too early in the morning. Anyway, I want to transfer from Hold My Horses to my major account, the $553 that I had sent for my October mortgage. I know it's only September 20th, but this October mortgage, which is due on the 1st, and I think I have until the 5th or the 15th, success for a late payment is getting paid now. Ooh, look at that money. Couldn't that be my original check, Lord? Amen. So now we will have, now I'm going to change the 630.62. Basically, what I'm going to say is that we moved over, which we did. Well, rollovers and transfers. I rolled over and I transferred the $553. So that reflects right there. And now I'm going to make my whole mortgage payment, $118,362. And I'm going to go ahead and schedule this mortgage payment now. Please hold. All right, people, here are the payment details. Your payment is on the way. We have a confirmation number for 1183.06 on September 20th. That was not due until, excuse me, the 1st, but we're glad to have it done. Now that's going to come directly out of my bank account. Therefore, it's not going to be turned green. We're going to leave it in a peachy color because we need to come back and check when it closes out, when it actually clears the bank. All right. The water bill was paid, car insurance was paid, electric was paid, gym was paid. I did end up going to the gym. So the gym was paid. And our first check is usually real heavy. So that's why there's not too much going on right now. Now, as far as the internet, that is an automatic payment. So we're just going to leave that alone. I don't like to try to pay that one ahead of time because it messes other things up. The security and the security equipment are also automatic payments. They come right off of the what's that called? The credit card. So once it's charged to my credit card, then I'll come into my operating account and I will pay it. So I'll just be monitoring that on my own. The trash and sewer bill is due. It's the one thing that kind of messed me up. That's why you didn't see a lot of money going to the HVAC this time. HVAC is something I'm saving for, or HVAC is something I'm saving for because the last time I got checked out, they said it was on its last leg, and I'd really want to get ahead of it. But we do have to pay the quarterly trash bill because that is due in October. And if we wait for our next check, it will be past the due date. So please hold while I pay that as well. All right, y'all. Thanks for holding. So here's my actual Xfinity. The Xfinity already took their payment. It's just not showing up here. So the Xfinity bill for $80 should clear relatively soon. And I paid the CycleWorks bill, but there's no way for me to show you that without showing my address, which we don't need to do, okay? It might be showing on the credit card already. That's a zero, so I don't know. Oh, there it is. So there is the CycleWorks $108 that I just paid. Now it's on the credit card, so of course it did not clear yet. So we'll be monitoring that. And as soon as it clears, then I will go in and make the payment from my account. Excuse me. Now let's carry on. And Home Depot, there's nothing on that card, nothing on the Ultra card, nothing on the Saver card, nothing on the Merit credit card. We do need to pay the car payment. So this is the other half of the car payment, which makes us all caught up. I'm actually interested to see when it says this car payment is actually due. When I go in here, the way this is not accurate. I'll come back and let you all know. According to this, it's not due until 10/10. I don't even know if y'all can see that. 10/10/24. And we're gonna go ahead and pay it now. It's 232.59 that's due, but I always just pay 233.50. It doesn't seem like much, but I think it makes a difference. And yeah, next year we'll be tackling this car payment because I could really use this $467 back in my budget. Please hold. All right, y'all. So the payment has been scheduled for 233.50 and done. And that's that. We're done paying that real quick. That is coming out of my bank account because that's the only payment they accept. I wish they would take it on the car on the credit card to get some points, but they don't. So we'll have to wait to see if when that clears. Now for our variable expenses, we still need to put away $280 for November. I am, if you're new here, a month ahead on variable expenses. Shout out to Lisa who sent me extra money that I could do that. And so now I stay a month ahead. Whatever I have for now in September, I saved in August, and now it's September. I'm saving for October. Did I say November? I don't know. So let's get back to our main account, and we're moving over $280. So transfer from here to now. This is another reason I've hold your horses because right now in my cashless envelope money, there is money in there that I'm using currently. So I put this also in hold your horses. And my favorite thing about um, Capital One, I would say try it between them and Ally Bank. Give them a try. I do have Ally Bank. I use that to save some other things that are out of sight, out of mind. If you feel like you're always going to see the account, definitely consider an Ally. There's a link down in my description. I think right now you get something and I get something. Don't ask me the details. I don't be knowing all this stuff, but you know, when they're going to give you free money, you might as well take it. So there's a link down in my description that if you want to sign up for Ally Bank, when I finally get a chance to allocate my YouTube check, that's usually where I put the tithes, the other things, my memberships, things that I don't need to see right away. So, but for now, as an everyday thing, I love my Capital One, but it's in my face, so I know what's there, so I have more tendency to spend. So 280 is going for our October cashless envelope money, and I love this is what I started saying on my rant. I love this with Capital One that I get to leave a memo. Success. Because when I go into this hold your horses account, y'all, a lot of things are in there. So it's like it would be easy for me to forget. So in hold your horses, I could come back and be like, what's this 280? And it would say, oh, it's my October cash envelope money. What's this 553? Oh, I moved back out my mortgage. Why did you put 280 over here? This is the other half of the money for October. Why did you put this? You know what I mean? It's easy for me to remember. Like there should be a random $85 still in here. It's probably down at the bottom that I had gotten back for a credit that I haven't even moved. It's literally just sitting there. But I love that for me. That's not where we're going here. Girl. Hold on, y'all. We're not at tracking yet. We're not there yet. So we've moved that so we can make these all green. Amazing. And now to our sinking funds, and then we'll be done. Or if we double check. So sinking funds, apparel, and we get money, which is proper because I know myself. I need to put more money in apparel than this because the way that I keep telling you I need to work on my parents, my shoes. I need shoes for the fall. I need shoes for the summer already. But we're not here or there. Let's transfer, baby. Let's transfer. So from our main account, we're going to send into apparel $50, which only has like $6. Did it say? So this is going to apparel, sinking funds, success. Yes, we love to see it. And we're going to make that green. Then we don't have anything going to build a buffer, nothing to birthdays, nothing Carmen, and nothing to Christmas. Emergency fund is getting some money. We love to see it. So $38.03 is going to the emergency fund. Our emergency fund is currently at $3,325 and some change. I think it was 30 cents. So 3803. That is still a baby emergency fund for me. I have that amount and I feel okay with it right now because it covers a full month of expenses for me. I would love to get that to 3 to 6, but right now we're just getting by. All right. Let's see. What did I say? This. What are we doing? Emergency fund, sinking fund, transfer, success. Then we have, I'll make these all green when I'm done. Health and medical. Come on. Come on, because baby, this dental situation, I'll tell y'all more about that in my October reset. But baby, y'all can take it back. Take it back. It just, they make it so easy just to get an extraction. If you're trying to save your tooth, it's like, give me all your money. All right. Did I pass health as wealth? No, health is wealth is getting $10. There's about $374 in there now. It's going to need all the money. So health, sinking fund, transfer. Household, amen. Household always, no, I'm sorry, that's HOA. I got excited, but household is getting some money. So transfer for HOA. HOA is getting some money. That is normal $44 because we like to save that in advance and then pay that all up front so we don't have to add it to our mortgage every single month. Hopefully they don't raise it. I don't know why, but we did get a new company, so you never know. So HOA sinking fund, transfer success, that's $44. Then we have our household. Yay. So we're going to transfer $40 to household. Which is always necessary because something in the household, whether it's lotion, body wash, um, this household is like bulk toiletries and everything. So something's always missing, y'all. Something's always running out. And we have to do that water, household sinking fund gets $40. We're always happy to see that. Success. So all of these were transferred and they have cleared their account immediately so they can be green. Then our last transfer, everything else is not getting anything right now. These 3 memberships are fully funded. And the only other thing, and poor HVAC, we're skipping it for now because we didn't calculate out for our trash and sewer being due on this pay period. So now we have one last thing, which is our Navy Federal. I send $1 just to make sure my account stays open, and I have to charge it once in a while, like charge something. I usually do something that's like under $10, but I think I have like $41 in there right now. It's a nice little extra that I try not to bother to touch. Like it's almost like a mini emergency savings fund. So success, and that is that is going from bank to bank, so we have to wait for that to clear. Oh, we have $61 left in our balance. You know what? I've got my niece's birthday coming up on Monday, and she's got a party on the following Saturday or Sunday. So I'm going to leave this money here. I'm just going to leave the $61.90 in buffer. And that way, if I have to buy anything for gifts or birthday, I will just take it out of there. And then whatever is left, I'll use to save in like another challenge. I was doing that 100 envelope challenge, y'all, but I don't think I want to do that anymore. I created this freebie circle challenge. I could see if I could show y'all real quick. And I did it in multiple denominations, but me and Sabrina were talking the other day about like how I don't like to save $1, $2. They take up so much space in the envelope. If it could just be 5s, 10s, 20s, increments of 5, I feel like it's just easier because those bills. just for me. Like, definitely do what works for you. But let me show you guys really quickly. So here's my Canva challenge. I uploaded on my coffee shop, Ko-Fi coffee shop. The link for that is also below. So don't forget to check out Allocate. Don't forget to check out coffee. But there's a 350. This is 5, 10s, and 20s. You can say 150 circle challenge. These are fives only. You know, if you don't got too much but $5. If you don't got more than that, we could do all dollars. That's $30 if you don't mind the dollars, you know. And then 450, we got 10s and 20s only. $300, you're doing all of the 10s. Oh, no, $300. I don't know whether there's two of those. $600, there's 20s only. And then if you're a big baller and you got 50s, honey, do that. There's 50 only. Okay. I was going to do 100, but I was like, well, why? But if you're somebody who wants $100 one, let me know. So, and I've been playing around with these, you guys, because it's my file and so I can do what I want. I have been playing around with it. So I'm printing like this one where it's basically 150 I'm saving for something in my dining room, and $300 saving for an iPad, even though I think I should have saved the 500 one or $600 one because iPads are expensive. But let's start here and maybe I'll do it again. But yeah, so these are smaller, which I like. The ones I showed you prior to this, the other savings challenge, they print out like almost A5 size, which is fine. But I'm sure there's some way. Well, I'm not sure there's some way to rescale it. But if there's not a way to rescale it, let me know if you want me to make them a little smaller in the shop. Join the shop, like it, leave a comment. That's the only way I'm gonna know. Okay. Thank you. Moving back to the budget, let's do our final checks that I've made myself come off the screen. Let's go back. Um, excuse me. Let's do our final check so we can get up out of here. So what we should have is 1738.36, which should be everything. Well, where is the calculator? Well, there should be everything. Slow down. Which should be everything that's not in bright green should add up to that. Okay. So let's start with the mortgage. 1183.62 plus 80 plus 27.14 plus 43.20 plus 108 plus 233.50 plus $1 plus the $61.90 in the buffer leaves us 1738.36. Perfection. We love to see it. Okay. We love to see it. Excuse me. So everything is as it should be. I think this one is off. Y'all know me in these colors. Everything is it should be. Everything adds up. We just have to wait for everything to clear the bank. And then we'll come back and do our closeout. Thank you guys for doing this with me. I enjoy doing this with you. I hope you pulled out your book and you either reconciled or you allocated out your paycheck with me. I hope you did. Like, you can't just be watching me do it. You got to do it. And if you didn't, then grab your stuff now, rewatch it, or just grab your stuff and start, babe. You got this. You got this. Small amounts add up, and knowing where your money goes definitely is a move. It is a move. Trust me. I used to not do it, and I do it, and trust me, this is the way to go. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please don't forget to hit the like button to let the algorithm or whoever, somebody out there know that you enjoyed the video and it can be recommended to other people. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, y'all, it's faith over fear. Excuse me. Remember, it's faith over Remember, it's faith over fear. And happy Friday. Bye. Just hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye.